Hello, good morning, you guys. Welcome back with another video. This video today we are going to talk about this company called A Plus Staffing Solutions, and the job role will be application processors for work from home position. And the salary is going to be $16 an hour as full time. And these benefits go as for this job in this company: dental insurance, health insurance, life insurance, paid time off, vision insurance, work from home. Full job description. Are you a fast-paced, computer-savvy self-starter who loves connecting with people? Are you ready to do rewarding work that makes a difference in the lives of others? Have you been waiting for an opportunity to jumpstart your career, to be seen and recognized for the work that you already do? We are looking for rock star customer support leaders who want opportunities to grow and who want to make a significant community difference. This is an incredible attempt to hire opportunity for a plug and play seasoned specialist to bring their skill set to the nonprofit sector, utilizing your knowledge, accuracy, and speed to help people put their lives together. Attempt to hire. Hours are 8 a.m. through 5:30 p.m. Monday through Friday. Pay is $16 per hour. Primary responsibilities for this job is provides immediate, ongoing, and efficient information and problem solution to applicants in a timely manner via electronic chats. Build rapport with individuals in a friendly and professional manner. Utilizes efficient conflict resolution strategies and communications. Resolves routine and escalated customer concerns in a professional and efficient manner. Protects the privacy of financial account information through compliance with privacy and information laws. Requirements: at least 1 year in a call center environment. Help desk or chat support experience preferred. Must possess poise and confidence to interact with applicants while maintaining confidentiality. Ability to recognize and respond to multiple priorities. Strong organizational and time management skills. Strong verbal and written communication skills. Commitment to quality, detailed focus on all levels. Delivery of first-class service to other applicants. Resourceful, creative problem solver. People and relationship driven. Strong technical aptitude and comfort navigating across multiple systems. Ability to work independently. Driven to exceed goals and applicant expectations. Open to learning and developing new skills and processes. Ability to work a full-time schedule, including some Saturdays if needed, or key volume dates. Proficiency with Mac and PC applications. Ability to be productive working remotely. And the benefits for this job, once again, is dental, health, life, and vision insurance, and it's paid time off. And it's an 8-hour shift and day shift, Monday to Friday, no weekends. It's a remote position. Ongoing need to fill this position. They posted this today, and they are urgently hiring for this position. This company is called, once again, it's called A Plus Staffing Solutions. The job role would be an application processor, and they're looking to hire ongoing need to fill this role, so it's going to be probably more than one position open. So you guys jump up on it and get applying to these jobs that I am posting on a daily basis throughout the week. And yes, if it seems like it's something that you would like to do, it's $16 per hour. It's full time. It's a remote position, and apply. So the next job that I have lined up for today is an associate enrollment eligibility representative, national remote. And it's based out in Dallas, Texas. You guys, it's a remote position. It starts at $16 an hour to $23.51 per hour. It's a full-time job position. And the benefits for this job is a 401k matching, opportunities for advancements. and the full job description, you'll enjoy the flexibility to telecommute from anywhere within the U.S. as you take on some tough challenges. Welcome to one of the toughest and most fulfilling ways to help people, including yourself. We offer the latest tools, most intensive training program in the industry, and nearly limitless opportunities for advancement. Join us and start doing your life's best work. As an associate enrollment eligibility representative, you will review reports to check backlog, review emails, make a priority list for the day, work on tasks based on urgency, a lot of report and email based work, attend team meetings, work in an on-base system to review reports, determine what changes and corrections need to be made, and update members' policies as needed. This position is a full-time, 40 hours per week position. Monday through Friday, employees are required to work our normal business hours of 7:30 a.m. through 4 o'clock p.m. or 8 o'clock a.m. through 4:30 p.m. It may be necessary, given the business need, to work occasionally overtime or weekends. All telecommuters will be required to adhere to UnitedHealth Group's telecommuter policy. Primary responsibilities: prepare, process, and maintain new member or group enrollments, respond to member eligibility or group questions and verify enrollment status, reconcile eligibility discrepancies, analyze transactional data, and submit retroactive eligibility changes. Research errors by comparing enrollment error reports against system information. You'll be rewarded and recognized for your performance in an environment that will challenge you and give you clear direction on what it takes to succeed in your role, as well as provide development for other roles you may be interested in. Required qualifications: high school diploma or GED or higher equivalent work experience. Proficiency with computer and Windows PC applications, which includes the ability to navigate and learn new and complex computer system applications. Ability to work from 7:30 a.m. through 4 o'clock p.m. or 8 a.m. through 4:30 p.m., including the flexibility to work occasional overtime during peak season, December through January. Preferred qualifications: prior eligibility, enrollment experience, 1 year of experience in a related environment, office, administrative, clerical, customer service, etc., using phones and computers as the primary job tools. Telecommuting requirements: required to have a dedicated work area established that is separated from other living areas and provided information privacy. Ability to keep all company sensitive documents secure if applicable. Must live in a location that can receive a UnitedHealth Group approved high-speed internet connection or leverage an existing high-speed internet service. Soft skills: experience with multitasking in a fast-paced environment. UnitedHealth Group requires all new hires and employees to report their COVID-19 vaccination status. And military and veterans are encouraged to get hired on with United Healthcare. They encourage you guys to get hired on if you are a veteran or if you served in the military. You can apply. They encourage you to apply. Careers at United Healthcare employee and individual. We all want to make a difference with the work we do. Sometimes we're presented with an opportunity to make a difference on a scale we couldn't imagine. Here, you get that opportunity every day. As a member of one of our elite teams, you'll provide the ideas and solutions that help nearly 25 million customers live healthier lives. You'll help write the next chapter in the history of healthcare, and you'll find a wealth of open doors and career paths that will take you as far as you want to go. Go further. This is your life's best work. And the Colorado and Connecticut or Nevada residents only, the salary range for Colorado residents is $16 to $23.51 per hour. The salary range for Connecticut, Nevada residents is $16 to $25.77 per hour. Pay is based on several factors, including but not limited to education, work experience, certifications, etc. In addition to your salary, UnitedHealth Group offers benefits such as comprehensive benefits package, incentive and recognition programs, equity stock purchase, and 401k contribution. All benefits are subject to eligibility requirements. No matter where or when you begin a career with UnitedHealth Group, you'll find a far-reaching choice of benefits and incentives. Diversity creates a healthier atmosphere. UnitedHealth Group is an equal employment opportunity affirmative action employer, and all qualified applications will receive consideration for employment without regards of race, color, religion, sex, age, national origin, protected veteran status, disability status, sexual orientation, gender identity or expression, marital status, genetic information, or any other characteristics protected by law. So they are hiring, and it got posted today. The job role will be associate enrollment eligibility representative. It's a national remote job. So you can apply through the website. I will leave the link down below in the description box. And that'll be all for the video. And I hope you guys apply and keep on shining, you sparkling diamond. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Opportunities knocking. Answer those positive doors, you guys. Let's get it. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, comment down below, hit the notification bell, and I will see you guys in the next video.